Good morning, guys. Welcome Piazza Duomo early in the morning. Today we're gonna visit one of the most awaited art show for this summer 2019, Nanda Vigo Light Project. Nanda is Milanese architect, designers, artist, and is absolutely one of the most visionary protagonist of the Milanese architectural and designer scenes. Today we're gonna see this anthology tributed to her from Comune di Milano. She was involved in the zero movement in the 60s, European zero movement in the 60s, and she developed the sci-fi design because she started very young. So can you believe how it was weird for the Italian culture? She started very young, inspiring herself with sci-fi literature, and she had been reading a lot Flash Gordon, and while I was reviewing Nanda Vigo biography, I had the chance to discover one of the most eclectic women in the Italian scene. So I'm really excited to step with the camera inside, of course, the magnificent Palazzo Reale here in Milano, and see what happens, and keep on going from Piazza Duomo, Simona Cocchi, the Italian way.